You sell when you can trade your ounces for income-producing hard assets. This is the ounces to acres strategy. Do not trade your silver for paper. Trade it for land. Trade it for a rental property. Trade it for a business that generates cash flow. Trade it for energy infrastructure. Wait for the moment when the mania is so high that real estate prices have crashed relative to silver. Right now, it might take 5,000 ounces of silver to buy a decent house. In the peak of a mania, historically, that ratio can drop to 500 ounces. That is the trade. You are swapping one form of generational wealth for another form of generational wealth. You are bypassing the fiat currency entirely. But we are not there yet. We are at $89. We are just leaving the launch pad. The ratio is still 52 to 1. We want to see it at 30 to 1 or 20 to 1. The week ahead is going to be the longest week of your financial life. The volatility will be nauseating. The banks failed with their first margin hike. Do not think they are done. They will try again. They might hike margins to 20%. They might hike them to 30%. They might restrict trading to liquidation only, as they did with the Hunt brothers. They will try to change the rules again. But remember the lesson of today. The margin hike to 15% failed. It failed because the physical buyers ignored it. If they hike margins again, the result will likely be the same. A temporary dip, followed by a violent recovery. Why? Because you cannot margin call a shortage. You cannot regulate a geological deficit. The only way to stop the price rise is to find more silver. And as we proved in part 3, there is no more silver. The mines are tapped out. The inventory is hijacked. So the price must go up. It must go up until it destroys demand. It must go up until Samsung says, we can't build batteries anymore. It must go up until the solar industry collapses. At $89, demand is not destroyed. It is accelerating. Therefore, the price is too low.